School as a learning community. Community of practice. Objectives. At the end of the lesson, the student should be able to understand the school as a learning community, engage in practices that reflect cultural sensitivity, accessibility, and effective collaboration, foster a sense of responsibility and openness to new ideas within the school community. So, what is school? School is a place where people learn and are taught, usually by teachers. Schools can be for children or they can be for people who want to learn a particular skill or subject. And how about learning community? Learning community is a group of people who share a common interest in a topic or area or a particular form of discourse about their phenomena, tools, and sense-making approaches for building collaborative knowledge and valued activities. What is school as a learning community? A school where students and staff work together to improve learning. Learning community is one in which all members acquire new ideas and accept responsibility for making the organization work. There are two basic elements of school as a learning community. First, connecting teaching to learning can help students make connection between what they learn in the school and their lives. This can help students develop critical thinking skills and become more independent and solve problem solving. Next, creating a culture of collaboration for the purpose. Creating an environment where people work together to achieve shared goals. It involves open communication, respect for different perspectives, and willingness to share ideas and resources. For example, a team working on a project where everyone contributes their skills and knowledge, openly shares ideas, and work together to solve problems. What is the role of the school in the community? The school's role within a community is to not only educate children academically, but also serve as a vital hub for social development, cultural preservation, and community engagement by providing learning opportunities that reflect the needs of the local area, preparing students to become active and contributing members of the society, while fostering a sense of belonging and connection within the community. For example, a school hosting a community cleanup drive. Students, teachers, and parents work together to clean local streets, promoting environmental awareness and civic responsibility while strengthening community ties. Key aspects of schools' role in the community include educating future citizens. Schools transmit knowledge, values, and skills necessary for individuals to thrive in the community, including critical thinking, problem solving, and social responsibility. Reflecting community culture, schools should be incorporate local customs, tradition, and languages into the curriculum to foster a sense of identity and belonging. Then, providing community support. Schools can offer facilities and resources for community events, workshops, and programs, serving as central gathering point, partnering with families and organizations, building a strong relationship with parents, local business, and community groups to enhance student learning and address community needs. Then, addressing social issues. Schools can play a role in identifying and addressing community challenges like poverty, health disparities, and social inequalities through education and outreach programs. Then, promoting civic engagement, encouraging students to participate in community service and volunteer activities to develop active citizenship skills. Lifelong learning opportunities, providing continuing education programs for adults to support community development. Important considerations: cultural sensitivity, recognizing and respecting the diverse backgrounds and perspectives within the community. Then, accessibility, ensuring all community members have equal access to school resources and programs. Last, communication and collaboration, maintaining open communication channel between the school and the community to foster mutual understanding and collaboration. Community of practice, a group of people who share a concern or a passion for something they do and learn how you do it better as they interact regularly It was first proposed by cognitive anthropologists why community practice are important. According to Winger 1998, communities of practice provide five critical functions. They educate, support, cultivate, encourage, and integrate. Communities of practice are important because they help people learn, share knowledge, and work together to solve problems. Community of practice are important as a professional learning strategy because they have the potential to first connect people. Example, a group of science teachers from different schools form an online forum to discuss best practices in teaching laboratory experiments. Second, stimulate learning. A team of nurses regularly meets to discuss new patient care techniques and learns from each other's experiences. Third, capture and share existing knowledge. Example, experienced software developers in a company documenting coding best practices in shared online repository for new employees. Fourth, introduce collaborative processes. A group of engineers from different departments work together on a project management system that improve workflow efficiency. Then, generate new knowledge. Example, a research team studying climate change collaborates with local farmers to develop innovative farming techniques based on real-world challenges. Characteristic of community of practice. First, domain of knowledge. Creates common ground, inspires members that participate, guides their learning, and gives meaning to their action. For example, a group of environmental scientists study climate change and share research to develop sustainable solutions. Then, notion of community creates the social fabric for learning. For example, a student reading club meets every week to discuss books and improve their comprehension skills together. Third, practice. Specific focus around which the community develops, share, and maintain its core of knowledge. Example, a team of science teachers shares lesson plans, experiments, and teaching techniques to enhance student learning. Conclusion. Schools are essential learning communities fostering academic excellence, social growth, and emotional development.